Hi, English 3360 peeps. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be sharing our rough drafts of our research essay. So I thought I'd show you how to do this. Obviously, we are in week 5, and so this is for Wednesday. So we're going to be sharing our rough drafts. So what we do to do this is we go down to where it says collaboration tools. You see groups, and you click on groups, and then you'll see these groups based on the groups that you're assigned to. You're either on the Wednesday noon group, the Wednesday evening group, which used to be the Thursday evening group. Remember, with your permission, we changed that. And then the Thursday noon group. So let's just say we're in the Wednesday noon group. So we would click on that Wednesday noon group, and that will eventually come up. And so we are going to click on File Exchange, and we're going to add a file. So we're going to click on this. We're going to upload, call it your name, rough draft, Chuck's rough draft. And then we're going to attach this the same way we would an email. So let's just say this is my rough draft. It's not, but we do this, and then we submit, and it's there. So then I am going to, if I'm in the Wednesday group, I'm going to find the rough drafts of 2 people whose work has not been responded to yet. So I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to download it. Now, I'm not sure if you're seeing the screen that I'm seeing or not, but I'm going to download this, and I just want to go ahead and stop sharing, and then I'm going to make sure you're seeing the same screen I'm seeing. So I'm going to go into Word, okay, and obviously this isn't this, but we're going to, if you've never done this before, I'm going to show you how to do this. We're going to make our comments using track changes and comments. So I'm going to get up here, I'm going to turn again in review, I'm going to click on track changes, and we're going to turn that one, and we're going to show all markup. So let's just say, well, I made an error here, so I'm going to change that. And so you see how the change is there? So I changed loot to look, and the changes are visible. So if you want to make any suggestions, you can do that. You can add comments. You might want to get greater depth here, or you can say something like, you can use comments, new comments. Hey, I really like this sentence. So what are we doing? We turned on track changes, show markup. So we're making suggestions by either typing in comments or typing in words and adding comments as well. So we're going to peer review doing track changes in Word. So I'm going to save this. I'm going to do File, Save As. I'm going to save this to wherever I save this. In this case, we'll change fall classes, and we're going to call it, Chuck's draft with your comments. Nuwanda, let's say I'm just not Chuck, Nuwanda's comments. So we're going to save that back to our computer. And then we are back in, so we're going to browse the computer. We're going to find Chuck's draft with Nuwanda's comments. So, and we're going to do that. So we're going to submit, and then, Chuck's draft with comments, and we're going to submit this. And this is going to do 2 things. One, I'm going to go and I'm going to see that Chuck submitted his rough draft, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to see Nuwanda gave peer review to Chuck. So this is how we're going to do it. You're going to upload our files, and then we're going to give comments via peer review to 2 people. So hope that works. And if you have any questions, let me know. Talk to you soon. Thanks.